Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peace. If this is your first time here, please don't make it your last. So I've got something super exciting to share with us. This week I'm going to be sharing healthy smoothie recipes on my YouTube story, and you don't want to miss it. I'll be sharing every single day, and they are quick to make, they are easy, and they are affordable as well. The good thing is they are packed with a lot of nutrients, and you're going to feel great after having them. So if you don't want to miss it, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss this. You don't want to miss it, okay? So today's smoothie is made with pineapple, grapefruit, oranges, and coconut water. This is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with vitamin C, and it will help boost your immune system and of course fight inflammation. You know, when you make smoothie, you keep the fiber, so this fiber would help in supporting digestion, and of course the coconut water will keep you hydrated and replenishes electrolytes. You know, it's so refreshing, it's low in calories, it promotes a healthy skin, it helps in weight loss and weight management. You know, it's also good. All of this combined together helps with the heart. From my research, it helps with your heart, and of course it keeps you hydrated, you know. So this is just the perfect guilt-free treat. Any day, anytime, this is it. Just make this smoothie, you know, and have it. Trust me, your body is going to thank you for it. I wish I can explain more when I say your body will thank you for it. I'm not even kidding. Like, you're going to feel really good from the inside out. And here comes the magic touch, coconut water. Oh my god, I love coconut water. You should have this like just on its own. It's really, you know, good. So just look at how this glides over the juicy fruit, bringing everything together. Look at that blend, you know, so vibrant and creamy. It looks really good and it tastes really good as well. So there's the best part. We are keeping all the pulp intact, unlike cold pressed juice that we did last week, where you only get the liquid. With smoothies, you're getting everything. You're getting the fiber, you're getting the nutrients, and the fullness. You know, that's why smoothie keeps you satisfied way longer. So that brings us to the end of our smoothie vlog today. That was really quick, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye.